Ma, ang aga niyan ah. What happened? Nag-aaway na naman ba kayo ni Faye?
Not her. Your other sister.
Si Ate Bobby? Ma, didn't I tell you to fix things with her? Ano na naman ginawa mo?
She told Faye na makipagbalikan dun sa boyfriend niyang hampas lupa. Paano naman ako makikipagbati dyan sa kapatid mo sa labas?
Okay, fine. You know, I'll just talk to Ate Bobby now.
Ay, no, Glenn. Wag na. Baka mag-feeling important lang yung bastardang yun.
Eh ma, ano nga ang gusto mong gawin ko?
Ako nang bahala. Don't worry. I'll think of something.
Pasok.
Boss, may bisita po kayo.
Oh, Cecilia. Ano ginagawa mo dito?
So, surprise sana kita sa office, pero maaga ka daw umuwi. You wanna grab dinner? Bakit, Len? May lakad ka ba tonight?
Yeah. May mga importante kasi akong kailangan asikasuhin.
Importante good? Or importante bad? You wanna tell me something? Bakit ngayon mo lang sa akin nabanggit to, Glenn?
It's my family's problems. Ayoko ma-involve ka.
But I wanna be involved. Especially when it comes to Faye.
Sagutin mo nga ako, Cecilia. Mali ba kami ni Mommy for not liking Vince?
Well, given Vince's background, it's natural. Plus, your family's into politics, diba? But there's a part of me saying na, why not give him a chance?
Yeah. I want to do that. For Faye. Pero hindi ako sigurado kung kaya ko eh.
Ikaw nga, humingi ka ng isa pang chance. Tapos ngayon, ikaw yung ayaw magbigay. I'm sure mas malala yung ginawa mo kaysa kay Vince.
You're right. Kung ako nga kaya ko magbago, dapat maniwala rin ako na kaya magbago ni Vince. Anyway, ngayon alam mo na kung bakit gustong-gusto kong umuwi na maaga palagi. Baka kasi magkalmutan si Mami tsaka si Faye.
Sorry, pinagdudahan kita agad. But I think it's better na kausapin mo muna si Tita at saka si Faye. We can have dinner another time. Anyway, I'll go.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Cecilia, thanks for being so understanding.
See ya.